Right, well the constructor for a generic type looks just like an ordinary constructor. In fact, there's not a lot of difference at all, except that a constructor in a generic class is able to use the type parameters, which are u and v in this case, if it wants to. It doesn't have to, of course. And that's what this is doing here. And there is a difference though when you come to instantiating a generic type, because then in that case you have to supply an actual type argument list like this here, or if you don't do that, you'll end up instantiating the raw type like I described down here. Now the raw type is effectively it is like pair object object in this case. So we've got object here and here and here and here, except it's not exactly the same, because if you was to put object object in here, you'd get an error, because pair object object is not compatible with pair integer string. It's a different type, because as we've seen before, if you've got any one of these is different, then it's a totally different type. Okay, so what happens is if you use pair like this, use the raw type, what you get in fact is a warning, and it's there's a special permission, of course, to use this like this, so that it's non-generic legacy code can work just as before. That's the whole idea of it. And in the next section, when I talk about interfacing to legacy code, you'll see what you can do and can't do, and how using raw types like this is permitted. That's not really that difficult.